All right, so what we have here is one of these electronic gun safes, little storage safes. It is, I think, like one of the Amazon specials. It's unbranded, so usually there's a little plastic piece goes right here, and you pop that off, and that's your mechanical backup. Now, the problem with a lot of these safes is that is where the weakness is, because for 30 bucks, you can get a set of tools. Looks like this. Looks like this. These are tubular lock picks or impressioning picks. Crazy thing about these, so what you do, try to do this one-handed, but push this ring up, and it pushes your little pins up, okay? And you push them down to even them out, okay? Find your spot, line her up, and then what you can do, take it and see if we can get a good side angle. Kind of do one of these a couple times. There it is. See that? And then it opens. Now the even crazier part is, okay, it's back locked now, right? Since I just impressioned this, now each of these little pins, kind of hard to see, but each of these little pins is set to a certain height now. And as long as I line it up right, and like I said, that's locked again. As long as I line it up right, this should, in theory, act as a key. So you don't even have to pick it anymore. It's just... Watch out. If you have this mechanical backup, you got to watch out for these, because that is a very big weak point for a lot of these mechanical or gun safes.